These are grape tomatoes. I just picked these off of a plant in my backyard. You wouldn't believe this plant. Look at the size of this plant. This is a huge, huge tomato plant. See? See the beautiful little grape tomatoes on there? This plant grew out of my compost pile. Look here. Anybody that thinks compost is not good for plants should take a look at this huge volunteer grape tomato plant that came up out of my compost pile. Look at this baby. It's going all over the place. Look, it's probably, I don't know, what, about 6 feet tall and then flopped over. It's 6 feet tall and then it's flopped over and running along the ground. Look at that. Look at that. It's just loaded with fruit. Look at that. Look at these that are green. Oh my goodness. This is a bounty from God, is what this is. Look, it's going all the way off into the grass. Look at this. This is a huge tomato plant. It's producing new babies. Look at that. Look at this. Going for the sky. And look, okay, it's up about, what, 4 or 5 feet, and whoa, down over into the garden 4 or 5 feet. This is a whopping big tomato plant. Oh my goodness. Now look at that baby. That is just incredible. Now I have picked this one over this morning, but you can see there's some ripe ones in there that I missed. They really only get to a kind of a dark orange state. They don't turn bright red. It's just the type of tomato they are, but they are really tasty. See this? Look at that. And look where it came from. It came out of my compost pile. Oh my goodness, God is so good. God is so good. He gives us blessings we don't even work for. Isn't that just amazing? And you know what's funny about it? I don't even remember eating any grape tomatoes and putting them out in the compost. I've just mostly eat regular-sized tomatoes. So what about that? It just came as a blessing. Well, this is Granny Fisher. I'll see you next time.